We will be making fresh broad bean soup today. If they are in season where you live, make sure to get some as they make a great dish. We need half a kilogram of fresh broad beans. Let's start by squeezing half of a lemon's juice in a liter of water. Then, let's remove the stems of the beans and place them in this water. I am pouring 3 tablespoons of olive oil into a pot. Then, I am adding a finely chopped small onion to it. Just before the onion turns translucent, I am adding the beans and I keep stirring it. Let's leave them to saute for 3 to 4 minutes. To prevent them from burning, I am stirring them once every minute. Let's add a teaspoon of salt and a tablespoon of tomato paste to the pot. I am now mixing everything and leaving it to saute for a few more minutes. Then I am filling the pot with water until the beans are submerged. I am now placing the pot's lid and leaving it to simmer for half an hour. Then I am adding a bunch of chopped dill, as broad beans and dill go great together. It elevates the taste of the beans to a much higher level. I am putting the lid back on to let it simmer again for a few more minutes, and after that this delicious dish will be ready. You can add a dollop of yogurt on top if you'd like. Please do not forget to like and share our videos. Enjoy!